why I changed the name of the YouTube channel. The main reason we changed the name of the YouTube channel was because we got complaints from different subscribers saying that the name David's Galaxy does not really work with the type of content that we are pushing out, and we push out technology content. So we decide to change the name of the channel to TechWorld, which actually goes better with the type of content we are pushing out. We are so sorry for the change of name, but we are here to reassure you that it is the same content and it's the same YouTube channel, and we will really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Over the few months we've tried new intro video, but it's still the same channel. We've just done some updates, and thank you for listening to this. We are very grateful. Thanks for your support so far, and thank you very much. Peace out.